Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert images to your Google Forms questions. So here you can just open your Google form, and in here you can see on the right side there will be this little panel, and you can see the picture icon where you can add image to your Google Forms. You can tap on that, and in here you can see a few options. You can upload an image from your computer. You can also use webcam, or you can also add URL in here of the image. You can go to the Google Photos, or you can also use your Google Drive. And in here you can also find an image in from Google. For example, here I'm going to just image from Google. I'm going to just add birds, for example. Here you can just choose the image that you want to add. I'm going to add this one, for example. You can tap on insert, and in here the image will be inserted to the Google form. For example, here you can add a question, what kind of bird is this, for example, just like that. And you can add option again to the type of question here if you want to. So that's all for me. That's how you can add images into your Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.